There's nothing you and I will face in life that he doesn't give us the power to choose, to do right or to do wrong. That power lives in you. Now, if you say to me, Pastor, I don't even recognize that I can do right or wrong, then you're not plugged in.
That's right. That's right.
Because as long as you plug it in, the heat gonna come on.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't catch that. You didn't catch that. You didn't catch that. If that appliance is plugged in, the heat will come on. If you come to church long enough, if you come worship long enough, if you come to Bible study long enough, you do private praise and worship long enough, the heat will be on in you to tell you what you need to do, how you need to do it, when you need to do it, when you don't need to do it. I'm telling you, if you're plugged in, you got everything that you need at your disposal.